How's it going, guys? Detailz Automotive here. We're doing AC blend doors today. We're replacing them on a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, and it has the Hemi. The AC doors are not turning anymore, so we got some replacements here, and we're going to be installing these in, and they should be working after that. Alright guys, so we have replaced that AC door. Everything is working now. You can hear it working. It's coming out of here now. Before we were only coming out of here, or it was stuck. Alright, so we got them working again. Everything's looking good. Detailz Automotive. Stay cruising.